I'm playing fetch with him. Thank you, Mommy. Want to try again?
He likes it. Why don't you get one of the balls or something?
What?
Get his ball.
Like, what do you want me to do with it?
Throw it down the hall and see if he can, if he falls when he runs.